How does one make money in commodities without actually having to dig for gold? Commodities, in general, are goods that are commonly traded in markets all around the world. These goods include everything from agricultural products like wheat and corn to precious metals like gold and silver. Making money in commodities can be a challenging task, but it is certainly possible without having to dig for gold. One of the ways to make money in commodities is by investing in commodity exchange traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are investment funds that hold assets such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. In the case of commodities, ETFs allow investors to invest in the price of the commodity without having to physically own it. For example, an investor can invest in a gold ETF, which tracks the price of gold. The investor will benefit from the price movements of gold without having to store the physical gold. Another way to make money in commodities is by investing in futures contracts. Futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell a commodity at a specific price and date in the future. These contracts are traded on exchanges, and investors can buy and sell them just like stocks. Futures contracts can be a high-risk investment as the price of the commodity can fluctuate dramatically. However, if an investor can accurately predict the price movement of a commodity, they can make a substantial profit. Options contracts are also another way to make money in commodities. Options contracts are similar to futures contracts, but they give the buyer the right, not the obligation, to buy or sell the commodity at a specific price and date in the future. Investors can buy options contracts to speculate on the price movement of the commodity. Options contracts can be an attractive investment as they offer limited downside risk and unlimited upside potential. Investing in commodity mutual funds is another way to make money in commodities. A mutual fund is an investment vehicle that pools money from multiple investors to invest in various assets, including commodities. Commodity mutual funds offer investors the opportunity to invest in a diversified portfolio of commodities. These funds can invest in a range of commodities such as agricultural products, energy, and precious metals. Investing in mining and energy stocks is another way to make money in commodities. Mining and energy companies are often involved in the extraction and production of commodities like gold, oil, and gas. Investing in these stocks can be an indirect way of investing in commodities. Investors can benefit from the price movement of the commodity by investing in these companies. Trading commodities using a CFD, contract for difference, is also a way to make money without actually having to dig for gold. A CFD is an agreement between a buyer and a seller to exchange the difference in the price of an asset between the opening and closing of the contract. Trading commodities using a CFD can be a high-risk investment as leverage can amplify both profits and losses. However, if an investor can accurately predict the price movement of a commodity, they can make a substantial profit. Finally, investing in precious metals like gold and silver can be a way to make money in commodities without having to physically own them. Precious metals are often viewed as a safe haven investment during times of economic uncertainty. Investors can invest in gold and silver through ETFs, mutual funds, or by buying stocks of companies involved in the production of these metals. In conclusion, making money in commodities does not require an individual to physically dig for gold. Investing in commodity ETFs, futures contracts, options contracts, mutual funds, mining, and energy stocks, CFDs, and precious metals can all provide investors with exposure to the price movement of commodities. As with any investment, it is important to conduct thorough research and consider the risks associated with investing in commodities before making any investment decisions.